One thing that's really important to me in working in this office is getting a patient to trust me. And that could be a little child who's 3 years old and I don't know their history too much. Maybe they were in and out of doctor's offices with ear infections and they have a terrible fear of anybody that's coming at them in a quasi-medical sort of situation. So one thing that's really important to me is to gain their trust, and I will keep doing that every single time I get them. Trust is really important in dentistry. There are people that really fear coming here. And one thing that this office provides is a welcoming environment to do that. And it comes from even when you walk in the door. You don't walk into a waiting room, you walk into a reception area. There's toys for the kids, there's magazines, it's beautifully decorated. It's a very welcoming space. And we limit your time there. We try and get you in and into our operatories and doing things so you're not really waiting. So that's one thing in the trust process. Another thing is listening. So you have to get to know your patients, have to get to know too what they want to share and where they have a little bit of hesitation when it comes to dentistry. And then I work with that. If they've got a sore back or something, let's give them a neck pillow. If they're cold, let's give them a blanket. If they've got hot flashes, let's give them a fan. I mean, just listen. And one thing that's been really important to me is to have the patients trust me enough to talk to me, because I can't read minds. If I don't know that you're upset with your last dentist and why, then I can't correct the problem, and hopefully I will not repeat it. So trust is essential in this business. And one thing that we provide here at Streetsville Dental is a trusting environment.